Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Stock Market by Shri. Today let's see what is monopoly and top monopoly companies in Indian stock market. A monopoly is when one company and its product dominate an entire industry whereby there is a little to no competition in the industry, which means a company or a products of is which has less competition in the market. Okay, now let us see top 10 monopoly companies in Indian stock market. Number 1, ITC Limited, which means Indian Tobacco Company. ITC company was established in 1910. Number 2, Coal India Limited is an Indian central public sector undertaking under the ownership of the Ministry of Coal. It produces coal and coal-based products. Number 3, IRCTC. It stands for Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. It is an Indian public sector undertaking that provides ticketing and catering and tourism services for the Indian Railways. Number 4, Pidilite Industries Limited is an Indian adhesives manufacturing company which is in Mumbai. This company is the dominant and leading adhesives company in India, which produces a famous brand called fdic and Fevicol. Number 5, IEX, which means Indian Energy Exchange Limited, is India's power trading platform and it gives India's primary energy marketplace, providing a national-wide automated trading platform. Number 6, Nestle is the world's largest food and beverage company. We have more than 2000 brands ranging from global icons to local favorites. Number 7, Hindustan Zinc Limited. It is an Indian integrated mining and resources producer of zinc, lead, and silver, and many more. It is a subsidiary of Vedanta Limited. Number 8, HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is an aerospace and defense company owned by Government of India. This company develops, designs, manufactures, and supplies aircraft, helicopters, etc. to the military. Number 9, BHEL Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. It is an Indian central public sector undertaking the largest government owned power generation equipment manufacturer. It is under the ownership of the Government of India. Number 10, Concur. It is a container corporation of India Limited and it is an Indian public sector undertaking which is engaged in transport and handling of containers. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share with your friends and family.